Fernando David here. On this Airbnb tip, I want to talk about honesty. Honesty is not only the best policy that you can have, but it will earn you better reviews. Here's what I mean. When we all know that we should have a detailed description and professional photos of your listing. But what I want you to be careful of and beware of false advertising. You do not want to write something in there that isn't accurate. You do not want to oversell your listing if you can't deliver on that. It is extremely important because what you do not want to do is set your guests' expectations to be this high only to underdeliver. That's a guaranteed bad review. I hope this tip helps. If it does, please do me a big favor, share, like, follow us on Instagram. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.